Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another flip video. This is going to be a review of patterns, which was from the first advisory. So hopefully it won't be too terribly difficult. So here we have a pattern, and it said what would be the eighth shape. And so we've got star, arrow, square, star, arrow, square. Okay, so we can determine that star, arrow, square is going to be the next one. Or that's how our pattern goes. So the next one after that would be star. And so I'm saying star is my final answer, and I turn my opportunity, and it comes back, and Mr. B's marked it wrong. It's not because Mr. B's really mean, it's because it says eighth shape. If we've numbered our shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I only gave the seventh shape. The actual eighth shape is the arrow. So here's how you should attack it. When it says, let's say maybe this time it says 10th. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's all I've got. So now I'm going to do 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm giving myself spaces to know I have to fill those in. So then my pattern would be star, arrow, square, star. Those spaces help me know that I need to fill those in, and so I don't trip up, because patterns are pretty straightforward. You've been working with patterns ever since you've been in kindergarten, but they will try to trick you by asking for one that's not the next one. So here we've got what would be the 13th letter. So hopefully you picked up on those clues I just gave you. Figure out what would be the 13th letter in this pattern. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle that I want the 13th letter. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, space 11, space 12, space 13. Now I identify my pattern. So it's B, N, G, H, B. So do my pattern start again? Now it looks like this is a pattern chunk here. Then I have B, N, G, H, B. So it seems like B, N, G, H, B is my pattern. So I've got B, N, G. G is in my 13th space. That's what I'm looking for. So G would be my 13th letter. So if you bring back to school problem, it's going to be a little bit different. I want you to develop a pattern. It can be with shapes, it can be with, I don't know, numbers, it could be with letters, whatever. Any sort of pattern. You're going to write questions asking for something other than the next one. So for instance, if I have hearts, stars, horseshoes, hearts, stars, horseshoes, I can't ask what would be the next one. That'd be too easy. I'd have to ask, what's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? What's the 8th one? What's the 9th one? Something like that. I want you to go find someone in your family. Have them solve it. See if they get tripped up. This will be interested. Are they right? If they're right, give them a high five. If they're not right, show them why they're not right. If you want to challenge yourself, do a number pattern. You could do like 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that. Make it a little bit counting. So that's your bring back to school problem. I'll be checking it out in the morning.